What up, everybody, and welcome to Baz on Blades. My name is Baz, and I talk about blades. Please excuse my voice. It's allergy season, blah, blah, blah. So, we're going to do a very quick video. I promise you guys we're going to keep it to about 10 minutes for these unboxings from now on. I'm starting to even piss myself off doing these long videos. I just don't have time to do them or watch them, and I know you guys don't either. So we got an unboxing here. We're going to open this thing up very quick. You've already seen the title of the video, and we're using the simply one of the most badass knives, cold steel ever made. This is a 4-inch Talwar G10 in CTS XHP. I love that knife. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. You've already seen the title of the video here. You know we've got a Petrified Fish product here. You've probably seen this one pop up on a few channels lately. It's new and it's hot and it's Petrified Fish and it's a knife. So let's see what we got going here. Yeah, we're going to do this right. What we've got today is the PF-B03 flipper folder. This one is called the Stamp, like a postage stamp. And I don't know the significance behind that and don't really care. All I care about is a knife being a good knife. And I've had extremely good luck out of Petrified Fish. Honestly, every knife I've gotten from these people has been basically perfect as far as production, fit and finish, action. Overall satisfaction is extremely high with this brand, and let me tell you why. The knife we're getting ready to look at is $43.99. Now, of course, I picked this up from Justin at whitemountainKnives.com, and you can go over there. I just checked. There are 5 versions of this in stock as I do this video right now, today, whatever day that is for when you see it. Go over there and check. I'll put a link down in the, I'll pin it in the comment section for this knife, and you can go over and search for the different colorways once you're there. But you can use one of the numerous 10% discount codes available for White Mountain Knives. $39.59 shipped to your door. $39.59, and you will see very high value. We've got a Petrified Fish cleaning cloth here. We've got extra hardware. You can see it is a black hardware, and Petrified Fish does pack that extra stuff into there. Oh, there's candy. I'm gonna eat that. You may never hear from me again. I think that stuff's poison. So we've got the Stamp, and this is a very sort of, to me, it's a very traditional type of style. That's the first thing I thought when I saw the initial photos of this knife. I started seeing other people doing their videos. It's a very sort of traditional knifey design. It's very much knife-like. It's not exotic in any way, either the handle design or the blade. It just looks extremely usable in every everyday situation you could come up with as far as needing a cutting instrument, a folding knife. Okay, guys, you're not going to be chopping down trees with a folding knife, or whatever your fantasy is that you can do with your folding knives or whatever. You're not going to do that. And this is a very sort of traditional handle design. You can see that. We'll get into all of this more in the in-depth, but we'll take a quick look at it right now. This knife is a full-size EDC type of knife. You're looking at a slightly heavier than 3.5-inch blade length, about 8.5 inches overall. This is D2 steel for your blade steel, G10 with carbon fiber inlay on your handle. This is the gray version with carbon fiber. There's 3 different colorways, 6 different ways you can get this knife. There is white G10 with the carbon fiber, black G10 with the carbon fiber and gray G10 with the carbon fiber. And then your blade, oh, that was very sweet. We'll come back to that. Your blade will be in either a black wash that is on the dark side, I'm seeing right now, or a satin finish. And I got to tell you, the white G10 version with the black blade is about as tuxedo a build as you can get, especially since they're using the black liners, black hardware, black pocket clip. It looks super clean. I almost got that tuxedo white in the black blade finish, but I decided to go with the gray. I like gray stuff, and I don't know what it is about gray. It's really as close to black as you can get, isn't it? And everybody knows black is the ultimate color. It contains all colors at the same time. So let's take a look at this thing. Like I said, it's a very traditional 3.5-inch blade, 8.5 inches overall. It's a drop point with a complete flat grind all the way to the spine of the blade. The spine is flat. There is a short section of jimp in here. Backspacer in G10, deep carry pocket clip. Like I said, black hardware. You got a lanyard pass through here. Back to that action opening. Let's see where the centering is. Well, surprise, surprise, it's fucking in the center. Or, oops, didn't mean to say fucking. Can't say fucking in videos anymore, guys. I just fucking can't say fucking, okay? I apologize. So anyway, we got perfect centering, and the detent is, let's see if we can fail it. Nope. That's as soft as I could go up to breaking that detent. Yeah, that feels absolutely fantastic. And you guys, you're seeing it straight out of the box. Straight out of the box. Yeah, it's everything but drop shut. Let's open and close it a few times here and get it loosened up. Get it loosened up, and we'll see how it is. Yeah, that's pretty doggone decent, guys. That's pretty doggone decent. All right, that's what we got. Of course, you know, Petrified Fish, it's going to be a bearing build flipper, ceramic bearings on the pivot, ceramic bearing on the detent. Like I said, it's D2 for your blade steel. Yeah, there you go. The Petrified Fish PF-B03. Like I said, I'll put a link for this particular example at White Mountain. Once you get to White Mountain, you can just do a B03 search and it'll bring up the other examples of it. I think every one of them looks really good because it is just a very classic looking design, and it is classic feeling in the hand as well. I think initially this is what we're going to say. Good job, Petrified Fish. Man, I'm so impressed with this company. They have some very, very good designs, all of them, well under $100. They are really good in this sort of high performance Chinese produced budget realm. And this looks like it's going to be more of the same. There you go. The Petrified Fish PF-B03 Stamp. And we'll cut it off there. I promise to make this short. And let's see what we got going here. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. I'm in under the 10-minute mark. What can I talk about to make this 10 minutes long? As always, thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of my videos. God bless all of you, and we will talk to you again.